In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to add a foreign currency, 5 minutes. If you invoice customers or pay suppliers in another currency, adding that currency in Xero makes your quotes, invoices, bills, and bank reconciliations much smoother. Before we start, a quick note. Multi-currency features are available on certain Xero plans and require the right user permissions. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to check your plan or ask an organization admin to grant access. First, log into your Xero account and land on your dashboard. At the top of the screen, click your organization name to open the organization menu. From there, choose Settings, and this takes you into the area where you manage the core setup of your organization. It's a good place to remember because you'll come back here for things like chart of accounts, tax settings, and other configuration tasks. Inside Settings, head to the Accounting section. This is where Xero groups all finance-related configuration, including currencies. Click Currencies to open your organization's currency list. You'll see your base currency at the top and any additional currencies that have already been enabled. Now let's add a new one. Click Add Currency. A panel or window appears with a Select a Currency field. Click into that field to open the full list of supported currencies. You can scroll through the list or even faster, type the currency name or the 3-letter code like USD, EUR, or JPY. Make sure you choose the correct currency for where you do business. Some currencies have similar names, so the code is often the safest way to confirm you've got the right one. When you've highlighted the currency you need, select it. With your currency chosen, click Add Currency to confirm. That's it. The currency is now part of your organization. From this point on, you can create transactions in that currency, assign it to contacts who you regularly bill or pay in that currency, and if needed, set up bank accounts in that currency for cleaner reconciliation. Xero will pull in exchange rates automatically, and you can review historical rates on this page. Keep in mind that while you can remove a currency that has never been used, you can't delete one that already has transactions, so pick carefully. If the Add button is unavailable, you likely need additional permissions from an advisor or subscriber. Otherwise, you're ready to go. You've successfully added a foreign currency in Xero, and your international bookkeeping just got a lot easier.